Do you want to know how to make pizzas?
Yeah.
Let's find out. Add fresh yeast into warm water. Give it a good stir. Pop strong white flour into a mixer bowl. Add a pinch of salt, a drizzle of honey, and some olive oil. Pour in your yeast and water mixture and give it a stir. Switch on your mixer. Use the dough hook attachment. Keep it on until the dough is really smooth. Allow it to prove in a warm place. It gets bigger and bigger. Once it is double the size, tip it on a floured surface. Give it a knead with your hands. Divide the dough into portions. Shape into balls. Roll out nice and flat. Top with your favourite toppings. Bake in the oven. Ask an adult to help.